DJI Air 3 and the 2024 Tundra. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. If you followed me for some time on Bill the Drone Reviewer, you know that back at the end of December, I ended up getting a brand new 2024 Toyota Tundra. Well, the other day I went ahead and I shot some video of it with the DJI Air 3. Let's go ahead and take a look at that video.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Air 3 and the 2024 Toyota Tundra? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.